To register for JAMB, there are certain documents you need. There are certain things required of you. Aside the money you'll be using to register the JAMB, there are certain things required. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you those things, those requirements you need to register for your JAMB. We'll be taking them one after the other. There are about 7 documents, requirements you need to register your JAMB. So that's what we'll be covering in this video. Number 1, you need your NIN. Before now, you can register for JAMB without NIN, but NIN is non-compulsory. What is NIN? This is a unique 11-digit number that identifies you as a Nigerian citizen. You need to obtain your NIN from any center. You can always ask around NIMC Enrollment Center or through the NIMC mobile app, but the popular thing is just for you to go to a cyber cafe or any center where they are doing registering for NIN around you. It is important you register it before you need it. It's not when you want to register the JAMB, you start going for it. So you need to obtain your NIN from the center, from wherever they are doing it. Sometimes it takes days. It's not always as fast as we need. You know the way things happen in our country. So if you need to register your JAMB, start now to get your NIN if you have not gotten it. Those 11-digit number, very important. Number 2 will be you need your profile code. There's something we call a JAMB profile code. You may not know it, but I'm going to explain. Your profile code is a 10-digit number that is generated by JAMB after you send NIN. That's your NIN. For you to generate your profile code, you need to send NIN to 55019 or 66019 as a text message. Look at where I said just get your phone now, whether a smartphone or a phone that is not so smart. Then that's your NIN I talked about in number 1. That 11-digit number, send it as a message with your phone. You will need your JAMB profile code to purchase your JAMB EP. So without this JAMB profile, this profile code, you will not be able to proceed. So get your phone with your SIM card, send your NIN, not 11 digits. Type that 11 digit and send it. Who are you sending it to? Send it to this number 55019 or 66019. If you need any help, let me know. By the way, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, I can send you this material I'm reading from free of charge. I will also send you past questions. You just tell me. I'll also send you your syllabus, past questions, anyone you need. You just tell me, okay, these are the subjects you'll be writing, and I will send you the materials you need. I will start guiding you. I'll do these things for you free of charge. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, just like this video, just click on like, then subscribe and watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay? You will need your JAMB profile code to purchase your JAMB EP and to complete your registration at any accredited JAMB computer-based center. The generation of your JAMB profile code will cost you 50 naira. So this SMS, when you send your NIN, that's 11 digits. When you send it to 55019 or 66019, it will generate your JAMB profile code, but it will charge you 50 naira. So ensure you have some money in your phone, in the SIM card. That is normal recharge. Now you can recharge it with 100 naira or 200. So you have more than 50 naira because they will take the 15 naira. Once they take it, they will not send it to you. You will have to note it because it's very, very, very important. The next thing you need is a SIM card. So you need a phone number to register, your personal phone number. It doesn't have to be your mother's own, your siblings' own, or elder brother's own. No, you need to get a personal SIM card. Some give it ad free, so you can say it doesn't need to be a particular kind of SIM card. It can be MTN, Glo, Etisalat, or Airtel, anyone. Your own. Just buy a SIM card. Okay. you will need that phone number. We don't need a SIM card where you use today and the phone number will not work. You need a personal phone number that you will be using. That is, it is that phone number that you even use to check your result. It's that phone number that JAMB will use to keep communicating with you. So it is important you get your own phone. Even if you cannot afford a smartphone for now, you can go for any Bangala phone. Okay, remember to go ahead and subscribe now. Once you subscribe, come under this video and tell me you're subscribed. The next thing you need, the number 4th thing, remember I said there are 7 things. That's why you need to watch from beginning to the end. The 4th thing you need is your email address. JAMB will keep sending you email address. Even when you get admission and other things, you need your own personal email address. So if you don't already have, go and open it. Just go to gmail.com. It's very simple. Gmail. If you don't know how to open it, you need my assistant. Just ask me in the comment section of this video. But it's a very simple thing. Even when you go to register for your JAMB, you can tell them you don't have an email address. They will open your email address with a password you remember. Ensure that it is a password you will not forget. Ensure what? That it is an email address and password you will not forget. So write it down because you'll be needing it in your whole admission process. Okay? So remember, like we have said, your NIN is very important. Your JAMB passcode is very important. Your phone number is very important. Then your email address, very important. The 5th thing we need is your O-level results. You can either use WAEC result, O-level or A-level. You can either use WAEC result or your NECO result or your, like here, you need to have your O-level, A-level result ready before you register for JAMB. You can use your WAEC, NECO or NAPTEP or even GCE. You can also register with awaiting result if the result is yet to come out. Like you are in SS3, you just want to write WAEC, why in SS3? Even if the WAEC is not done, but you are sure that before you get admission, the WAEC will come. So you just put in your awaiting result. But you need either WAEC, NECO, NAPTEP or GCE. Sometimes you can use more than 2 sittings. Maybe you wrote, you not get a subject in WAEC, you can get it in NECO and all the rest. The important thing is for you to have your O-level or A-level result. If you have any question on that, even how to register for WAEC and all the rest, ask me in the comment section. The next thing you need, the second to the last thing you need, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe immediately. The next thing you need is your JAMB e-pin, or it is called electronic pin. That is what you actually use to register. Okay? This is a unique code that you need to pay for and obtain from any of the authorized channels. Sometimes you need to go to bank to get your bank pin, or you need to use online. There is also online platform, USSD code. If you need to know how to do it, just ask me. If you need to know how to get your JAMB e-pin, you can ask me. If you don't know how to do it, you can ask me. Okay. Now, the last thing you need to do is to fill in your biodata. There is a video I've made for you, how to fill your JAMB form. When you get your JAMB form, you will see areas to fill your biodata. What are those things you need to fill? You need to provide your personal details, like your full name. Your full name, you need to ensure that you write out the correct name. Your date of birth, your gender, your state of origin, your local government area, and other information that may be needed. Also in the JAMB form, you also need things like to fill the institution you want to attend. Do you want to go to UNN, IMT? Do you want to go to ESU? Do you want to go to UNILAG, University of Lagos, IMSU, and all the rest? So you need to fill all that. That's why you need to watch that particular video. This particular video, I will put up the link somewhere in this video, so that you can just check our channel. You find this particular video with this kind of thumbnail, this kind of picture. Click on it and know how to fill your JAMB form without making any mistake. Then when you are done with providing your data, then these 7 things, then you are good to go. Remember the things I said. We said you need number one, NIN. Number two, you need what? JAMB profile code. I've taught you how to do that. Number three, you need a phone number or a SIM card, your own. Oh. Then you need an email address, your own email address, free to create. You need your O-level result or A-level result, even if you still are waiting. Then you need your JAMB e-pin. You go to bank to buy it or buy it online. If you need help, you let me know. Then you also need to fill out your bio data. These are the things you need to, the documents, the requirements you need to provide beyond money for registering for your JAMB. If you have not liked, subscribed or commented, please let me know. Just go ahead and subscribe. Share this video to all your friends. Just click on share, copy the link and paste around. Then you can, if you, after your result, you will need to check your JAMB result. We did this. This method still works whether you wrote it this year, next year, last 2 years. There's this particular video on our channel. You can check it out. Okay. If you want to join our study group on WhatsApp, just let me know. Just say, I want to join the Noble Tutorial study group on WhatsApp. I will send you the link. Then finally, we wish you all the best in your JAMB exam. Subscribe, like, share, and ask me all your questions.